All right, to get started with PlateSolve3, we're going to start on the N.I.N.A website here, the nighttime-imaging.eu. We're going to go to Documentations and then Release. And it's going to be under the Advanced Topics here on the left side under Documentation. And then we have Plate Solving. And then you can scroll all the way down. You'll see a section that says PlateSolve3, PlateSolve 3.8.0. And there's a link here that takes you to a Google Drive. So you click on this and then you can right click on it and download it and put it somewhere. So I put it in my downloads folder. So I'm going to now extract it. And after I extract it, I'm actually going to move the extracted folder into my documents folder because it'll be a little bit easier to track. And we're going to go into here, PlateSolve3. And inside there, we're going to click on the PlateSolve 3.8.0.exe to run it. Click more info, run anyway. And we need to tell it where the Kepler and the UD catalogs are. And they're just going to be in this directory here. The trick here from previous versions, I don't know if they fixed it. I'm just going to show you what I did is to do the second one first. So we're going to click on Browse. Documents, PlateSolve3, and then it's the UD catalog. There you go, status is okay, and then this one. Go to Kepler. And we're going to click OK. And the reason I do this second is because when I do this, or do this one first instead of doing the first one first, is because when you click on OK, it just closes. Yeah, that's what seems to happen. And we can go back into that by clicking on Configure Directory. You can see that they're both OK there. Okay, cool. So PlateSolve3 is installed. And we can tell N.I.N.A where to point to in a second. And the way to tell N.I.N.A where to see PlateSolve3 is to turn on N.I.N.A, go to Options, and then to Plate Solving. And this is where we want to switch our plate solver from ASTAP, because I don't have that installed. We're going to switch it to PlateSolve3. I'm going to send the blind solver to PlateSolve3 as well. But normally you'd want to have like two different kinds here, so maybe a local plate solver. But I'm just going to keep it as this. So PlateSolve3 location, click on this. We're going to go here. We're going to find our PlateSolve3.exe file. And now we can plate solve. It's pretty easy. To see if PlateSolve3 is working for you, go to the Framing tab here. And then in the image source, select File. And then click on Load Image. And then load an image that you've imaged before. So I'm going to go to my last session here. So I'm going to do NDC6811 and then open up a random one. And then it'll ask you which one you want to solve, blind solver or plate solver. Since we switched both of them to PlateSolve3, it really doesn't matter. But if you picked only one to be PlateSolve3, pick that one. So I'll click on PlateSolve3. And then you should see the PlateSolve3 window open up and PlateSolve for you. And let it load. There you go. It loaded. That means it's solved. And your PlateSolve3 is installed correctly. Good luck and clear skies.